By 3 o'clock in the afternoon, the energy crash hits. Behind that fatigue is a mechanical failure. As you slump forward in a traditional office chair, the lower lumbar region of your spine compresses under the weight of your posture. Human biology relies on kinetic movement to pump blood and maintain focus. But a static workflow forces a mobile body to remain frozen in place for hours a day. When you force your body to conform to a rigid, unmoving workspace, physical degradation is the inevitable result. That constant, low-level physical strain directly saps your daily productivity. A motorized standing desk solves this by adapting the environment to the user. It introduces dynamic movement back into the workday. For this to actually work, the adjustment has to be entirely frictionless. A heavy, hand-cranked desk requires too much effort to use regularly. True ergonomic improvement requires a silent, effortless motorized lift. Finding the right motorized desk means ignoring the marketing hype and matching the engineering of the frame directly to the weight of your equipment and the dimensions of your room. For heavy-duty, dual-monitor users, the FlexiSpot E7 serves as the baseline standard for a home office. The number one flaw of cheap desks is wobble at maximum height. This oscillating line shows severe wobble in a two-leg desk versus the flat, stable line of the E7's four-leg frame. A quiet dual-motor system smoothly lifts up to 355 pounds. It travels from 22.8 inches up to 48.4 inches, accommodating both short and tall users. 4 programmable memory presets let you lock in your exact preferred heights. Delivering premium-grade wobble-free stability for around $340 places the E7 in a class of its own. It provides high-end engineering at a mid-tier price. For corporate environments where time is scarce and aesthetics matter, the Very electric desk offers a completely frictionless solution. The primary advantage here is structural convenience. The Very arrives with the desktop already pre-attached. A setup process that usually takes an hour is reduced to under 10 minutes. It features a polished, commercial-grade finish and operates on incredibly quiet dual motors, ensuring your height adjustments never disrupt an open-plan office or a live Zoom call. At $829, it sits at a premium price point, but for users who need a pristine corporate look instantly, the convenience justifies the cost. Creative studios and complex coding setups demand raw surface area. This is exactly what the Apex Desk Elite Pro is engineered to provide. This top-down schematic shows the massive 71 by 33-inch curved desktop, providing depth for 3 monitors, a keyboard, and a drawing tablet. The desk's back section maintains a straight edge for attaching heavy-duty C-clamps, perfect for boom arms, professional lighting rigs, and heavy camera gear. To handle that specialized load, a robust metal frame and a heavy-duty dual-motor system work together to smoothly lift up to 235 pounds. By maximizing surface area and depth, the Apex Desk Elite Pro prevents equipment crowding, giving you the room necessary to run complex, multi-screen workflows. If you are working in a tight space, models like the Seville Classics Airlift and the FlexiSpot Comhar offer highly compact solutions. With an all-in-one footprint measuring just 48 by 24 inches, these desks integrate smoothly into tight bedroom nooks where standard furniture won't fit. They replace external desktop clutter with built-in intelligence. Both models integrate fast-charging USB and USB-C ports directly into the frame. They also feature a seamless built-in drawer for hidden storage, alongside a flush touchscreen control panel to manage your memory presets. Sacrificing square footage does not require you to sacrifice functionality. These compact frames solve the problem of a cluttered micro-office. For those on a strict budget, the SHW Electric Desk acts as an accessible entry point to an active workflow. A sub-$200 investment delivers a complete, motorized sit-stand desk. The desktop is included, along with digital memory presets and basic cable management hardware. The trade-off is mechanical. This single motor system operates slower and with less stability under heavy tension. It's engineered strictly for lighter, single-monitor setups. At this price, it serves as a low-risk test. You can see if a standing workflow fits your habits before committing to an upgrade. Dimensions, price tags, and motor counts vary widely across these 5 options, but the physiological benefits of using them remain exactly the same. The goal isn't to replace sitting with standing. Active sitting and standing is a continuous rhythm of physical movement throughout the day, ensuring your body is never locked into a single pose. By managing your cables properly and relying on automated memory presets, you remove the friction from changing postures. When the adjustment is effortless, you actually move. A static, traditional desk locks you into a cycle of physical strain. Motor-adjusted frames break that cycle, allowing your posture to adapt as your energy levels fluctuate. Measure your room, assess hardware weight, then match those numbers to the desk archetype that supports your specific workflow. Choosing a high-quality frame provides the mechanical foundation for your daily health and focus. It ensures your physical environment remains as dynamic as your output.